Hello dear students, as you all know, we have already started our new chapter of geography, that is water. First part is already completed. Today we will cover the several topics, that is increasing industries and the circulation of water through the areas of waves, tides and currents. Okay, so what is increasing industries? Water is used by all industries. Almost everything that we use need water somewhere in its production process. Okay, as you all know, water is used by every industries. Almost everything that we use needs water somewhere in its production process. Okay, it means every activities which the human use involves the water resources. Okay, the water of industries is increasing day by day. Water used by most industries is drawn from the ground itself. Okay, so the number of industries is increasing day by day, as you all know, due to various consumptions and demands of the human beings. Water used by most industries is drawn from the ground itself. Next is agricultural activities. A majority of farmers in India depend upon rains for irrigating their crops. Irrigation system like canals are there only in a few places. This system may suffer from lack of water due to plenty of rainfall. Okay, so farmer have to use groundwater for irrigation. So this leads to the system where lack of water is due to plenty of rainfall. So farmers have to use groundwater for irrigation. Population pressure on agriculture forces increases use of water groundwater day by day. This resulting depletion of water table. So another reason is agricultural activities. Okay, what happens? Population pressure on agricultural forces increases use of groundwater day by day. So this result in the depletion of water table. Next is distribution of water. Some places have good amount of rain and some places there are deserts which have scanty rainfall, means less rainfall. Okay, it is a vast country. India is a vast country and the rainfall is not at the same everywhere. Some regions have excessive rain while some other have very little rainfall. Excessive rain causes floods whereas the absence of rain results in the droughts. Okay, so there are various means two things present in the India. As you all know, India is a vast country, so there are places where vast amount of rainfall takes places and there are places where very little rain takes place. Okay, so excessive rain takes place, then the floods will take place, and whereas the absence of rain will cause to the droughts. Okay. Next is water management. Most of the water that we get as rainfall just flows away. Okay, the rainwater can be used to recharge the groundwater. What happens when the rainfall comes from upside in the form of precipitation? There are so much percentage of water that is just flown out. Okay, that water can be used to use to for the future use. Okay, like rainwater harvesting or water harvesting can be used. Many places in India an age old practice of water storage and water recharge like the Bawris. Okay, now what is the Bawri? Bawri was the traditional way of collecting water. So from the exam point of view, a question can come, what is the meaning of Bawri? So as you all know, Bawri was the traditional way of collecting water. Okay, so many places in India an age old practice of water storage and water recharge like the Bawris was used. Okay, in order to collect the water which was coming through rain in the form of precipitation. Okay, the Bawris are also used today. There was the time when people forgot the importance of Bawris. Drip irrigation is a water saving irrigation system. In this system, water falls on the roots of the plants drop by drop by the help of pipes. Okay, we can also play an important role in saving of water. So what is the meaning of drip irrigation? Drip irrigation is a water saving irrigation system technique. In this system, what happens? Water falls on the roots of the plants drop by drop. Okay, not at one time, by the help of pipes. Okay, the hole is done in the pipes so that the and water can leak from there in the roots of the plants. Okay, so we should turn off taps while bathing and brushing. We should map the floor instead of washing. We should use a bucket instead of bathtub or shower for bathing. So these are the ways through which we can save our water resources. Okay, If we save water, water will save us in the future. Thank you everyone.